CrowdStrike Next-Gen SIEM is a modern approach to security monitoring that goes beyond traditional log collection. Instead of just storing data, it focuses on real-time visibility, fast investigations, and automated response. Platforms like CrowdStrike Next-Gen SIEM are built to help security teams detect threats faster, reduce noise, and act with confidence. This course is designed to help you understand and actually use Next-Gen SIEM in real environments. You'll learn how to write effective SQL queries, build meaningful dashboards, create detections, manage cases, automate responses using FusionSOAR, and build custom applications using Foundry to extend the platform's capabilities. At Data Illicit, we help organizations build and scale modern security operations using Next-Gen SIEM. Our team includes certified CrowdStrike Next-Gen SIEM experts who work daily with real-world enterprise environments. And this course is built directly from that experience. Whether you're a SIEM architect, SOC analyst, security engineer, or someone looking to grow into Next-Gen SIEM, this course will help you build a strong foundation. If you're ready to level up your SIEM skills, enroll now and let's begin.